What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping one box of 2016 Leaf Metal Draft Baseball and one box of 2016 Panini Limited Football, both for Gerald I. Good luck, man. Let's start off with the Leaf Metal Draft. Why not? Let's see what we can do for you. I'm not positive on that, Evan. You could email us, and I'm sure that Sarah or Rich would know. I don't actually have anything to do with the BGS stuff besides making the videos. Alright, first hit. Base auto, Cole Ragans. Not numbered. Seriously, these cards are beautiful, though. Blue, Refractor Auto, 24 of 25, Will Smith. Purple, Autograph, 5 of 20, Dakota Hudson. Base Auto, not numbered, Corey Ray. And purple refractor auto, 3 of 20, Brendan Rodgers. Nice hit. Beautiful one there. Congrats on that. Nice Brendan Rodgers. I think he'll be a really nice talent. With a green, 5 of 7, Ahmed Rosario on the back. Nice hit here. Congrats on that, Gerald. Nice Ahmed on the back. Let's do your limited now. Good luck, sir. Couple pretty nice hits in that box. Come on, 1 of 1. We got Matt Forte and Antonio Gates. And RPA to 299, Christian Hackenberg. Yeah, there was a couple really nice hits in that first box. Tavon Austin, Barry Sanders on the back. Frank Gore, and to 49, Larry Fitz. Next up is patch card to 99, Jeremy Hill. Star Factor. That's how Leaf does it, Evan. T.Y. Hilton, Brandon Cooks. Last pack. Gronkowski, David Johnson, and a rookie auto, 15 of 35, Aaron Green on the back. And that does it for your box, man. There you go, Gerald. Not bad, actually. Really not bad. That Ahmed Rosario and the Brendan Rodgers right here are very nice hits. Low numbered, too. So congratulations, man. There you go. Thank you very much for the purchase, and we'll get those right out to you, bud.